Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to explain strings in Python with some programming examples. I'll be using PyCharm for coding, so let's start. What is a string in Python? Python programming does not have a character data type. A single character is simply a string with a length of 1. A string is a data structure in Python programming that represents a sequence of characters. It is an immutable data type, meaning that once you have created a string, you cannot change it. Python string are used widely in many different applications, such as storing and manipulating text data, representing names, addresses, and other types of data that can be represented as text. Syntax of string data type in Python. In this string underscore variable is a variable and we have assigned hello world value to this variable. Example of string data type in Python. In this example I'll show you how we can take string variable and can print the value of variable. So let's write code. I am using PyCharm for writing Python code. String underscore 0 is a string type variable and I assigned universal geographic solutions value to this variable. Then with print function I'll just print the value of string. Type function is used to know the variable type. Here I pass string underscore 0 this function to know the type of string underscore 0 variable. Create a string in Python. Strings in Python can be created using single quotes, or double quotes or even triple quotes. Let us see how we can define a string in Python, or how to write string in Python. In this example, we will demonstrate different ways to create a Python string. We will create a string using single quotes, double quotes, and triple double quotes. The triple quotes can be used to declare multi-line strings in Python. String 1 variable and we assigned welcome to string tutorials value to string 1. Now creating a string with double quotes. Triple quoted strings in Python are strings that are enclosed within 3 single quotes, or 3 double quotes. These strings have several important features. Multi-line capability. Triple quoted strings can span multiple lines, allowing you to include line breaks within the string itself. This makes them particularly useful for writing long text blocks, such as paragraphs or documentation. Inclusion of quotes. Triple quoted strings can contain both single quotes and double quotes, without needing to escape them. This flexibility is helpful when the string includes dialogue or text with various types of punctuation. Common use cases. Doc strings. Triple quoted strings are commonly used for doc strings, which are documentation strings placed at the beginning of modules, classes, or functions to describe their purpose and usage. Multi-line text. They are also used when a string naturally spans multiple lines, such as in long messages or complex formatting tasks. By using triple quoted strings, you can handle complex and multi-line string content in a clear and readable manner. Accessing characters in Python string. In Python programming, individual characters of a string can be accessed by using the method of indexing. Indexing allows negative address references to access characters from the back of the string, e.g. -1 refers to the last character, -2 refers to the second last character, and so on. While accessing an index out of the range will cause an index error, only integers are allowed to be passed as an index, float, or other types that will cause a type error. Python string positive indexing. In this example, we will define a string in Python programming and access its characters using positive indexing. The 0th element will be the first character of the string. Python string negative indexing. In this example, we will access its characters using negative indexing. The third element is the third last character of the string. Python string slicing. In Python programming, the string slicing method is used to access a range of characters in the string. Slicing in a string is done by using a slicing operator, i.e., a colon. One thing to keep in mind while using this method is that the string returned after slicing includes the character at the start index, but not the character at the last index. Like string 1, 3, 12, it will print third to 12th character of the string, but 12th character will not be printed. The string slicing method is used to access a range of characters in the string. Slicing in a string is done by using a slicing operator, i.e., a colon. One thing to keep in mind while using this method is that the string returned after slicing includes the character at the start index, but not the character at the last index. Like string 1, 3, 12, it will print third to 12th character of the string, but 12th character will not be printed. In this example, we will use the string slicing method to extract a substring of the original string. The 312 indicates that the string slicing will start from the third index of the string to the 12th index, 12th character not including. We can also use negative indexing in string slicing. Reverse a string in Python. In Python programming, by accessing characters from a string, we can also reverse strings in Python programming. We can reverse a string by using string slicing method. In this example, we will reverse a string by accessing the index. We'll specify the first two parts of the slice indicating that we are considering the whole string, from the start index to the last index. Hashtag program to reverse a string is a comment line in code. My underscore string equals string value. My underscore string is a string variable. Print my underscore string square brackets double colon -1 will reverse my underscore string value. If you can't understand the code or have any questions, please write them in the comment box below. I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Deleting, updating from a string. In Python, the updation or deletion of characters from a string is not allowed. This will cause an error because item assignment or item deletion from a string is not supported. Although deletion of the entire string is possible with the use of a built-in del keyword. This is because strings are immutable. Hence, elements of a string cannot be changed once assigned. Only new strings can be reassigned to the same name. Updating a character. A character of a string can be updated in Python by first converting the string into a Python list, and then updating the element in the list. As lists are mutable in nature, we can update the character and then convert the list back into the string. Another method is using the string slicing method. Slice the string before the character you want to update, then add the new character and finally add the other part of the string again by string slicing. Example. In this example, we are using both the list and the string slicing method to update a character. We converted the string 1 to a list, changes its value at a particular element, and then converted it back to a string using the Python string join method. In the string slicing method, we sliced the string up to the character we want to update, concatenated the new character, and finally concatenate the remaining part of the string. Updating entire string. In Python, as Python strings are immutable in nature, we cannot update the existing string. We can only assign a completely new value to the variable with the same name. In this example, we first assign a value to string1 and then updated it by assigning a completely different value to it. We simply changed its reference. We're going to code how to remove a character from a string using slicing. Let's dive right into the code. First, we define our original string. In this case, it's the word hello. Next, we specify the index of the character we want to remove. Here, we're going to remove the character at index 1. Index underscore to underscore remove equals 1. In Python, string indices start at 0, so index 1 corresponds to the second character in the string, which is e. Now comes the interesting part, slicing the string. We create a new string by combining two slices of the original string. The first slice is everything up to, but not including, the character at index 1. The second slice is everything after the character at index 1. Let's break it down. Original underscore string, index underscore to underscore remove, gives us h, all characters before e. Original underscore string, index underscore to underscore remove plus 1, gives us low, all characters after e. By concatenating these two slices, we get low, which is the original string, with the character e removed. Finally, we print the new string to see the result. Let's run the code, and there you have it. The output is hello, which is hello, without the e. Python strings come with a variety of built-in methods that allow for manipulation and currying. Let's practice some built-in methods for strings. Method upper converts all characters in the string to uppercase. Method lower converts all characters in the string to lowercase. Method strip removes any leading and trailing whitespace or specified characters. Method replace replaces occurrences of a specified substring with another substring. Method split splits the string into a list of substrings based on a specified delimiter. Method join joins elements of a list into a single string with a specified delimiter. Method find returns the lowest index of the substring if found in the string, otherwise returns -1. Method starts with checks if the string starts with a specified substring. Method ends with checks if the string ends with a specified substring. Method is alpha checks if all characters in the string are alphabetic. Method isDigit checks if all characters in the string are digits. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out and lets me know you want to see more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. We have a lot more tutorials and exciting content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and happy coding. See you in the next video.